DG, stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Dollar General Corporation is already $97, just beneath 100. I can tell you that with my previous ideas, I actually had -1 hour receipt. So that means that at that given time, you know, here I was bearish. That kind of delivered, and then I said if I see a double break, I'm willing to take it down. That turned out, the outcome of that is a -1 hour. That's a loss, which is totally fine. You know, that is going to happen. And I can tell you one thing, which for sure, that now it's filling in a little gap. I mean, it's not like high time frame bullish, because ideally, you know, very honestly, I want to see breaks above 130 bucks. But in this particular instance here, the only thing that I care about is if the price pulls down and gives me some sort of double break. Then I'm buying. If not, why the heck would I bother? I will not bother whatsoever. So this is how this is looking like. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I make you clap for 10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.